Hi, I'm Natalie with Eminence and we're back for another mixology, and I'm really excited today to share with you something fabulous for those eyes. We always know there tends to be a little bit of puffiness, sometimes we see some fine lines around our eye area, but also looking for more of an ultra-rich treatment that you can use overnight. So what I want to share with you today is using our Lavender Night Eye Cream and our Neroli Age Corrective Serum. So how we're going to do, we're going to mix these two together. We're going to do another layering treatment for you today. And this is something that you can do, you could do it in the morning and you can do it at night, but most of us tend to lose a bit of water in our skin when we're sleeping. So the skin can get incredibly dehydrated and loss of moisture. So we can wake up in the morning sometimes a little bit more puffy in the eyes, as well as we can see those fine lines and wrinkles a little bit more. So this is going to be a brilliant treatment for you to do to minimize that appearance when you wake up in the morning. So the first thing you need to do is you're going to use the Neroli Age Corrective Eye Serum, and we use some pretty great ingredients here. Neroli is really refreshing, it's uplifting in scent, but also we're using plant stem cells from the Swiss green apple. And why we want to use this ingredient is that it's brilliant for really getting the skin you see in the mirror every day. It helps with moving that ahead, so really minimizing the appearance of fine lines. So we start with that, and then we're going to layer over the top the Lavender Night Eye for your eyes, and it's going to also have some stem cells in there as an ingredient, and it's from the argan, and this is going to work on those deeper levels. So think about the foundation of your skin and giving it a push up. So first, you're always going to take your serum, and you don't need a lot. Remember, with Eminence, quite generous in the sense of how concentrated everything is. So you really only need a little bit, and you want to massage it gently around the eye area and let it sit in the skin for about 1 minute before you layer over the Lavender Night Eye Cream, right? So then we have the lavender over the top, again, incredibly generous in size as well as in concentration, so very, very little is needed. The harmony of the lavender and the neroli together will give you the best sleep ever. I really hope you enjoyed this gorgeous mix, and if you want to see any more of them, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and I'll see you there. I'm Natalie with Eminence Organic Skin Care for another mixology.